Hello everyone and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm not going to be on the camera right now tonight, but I did want to come on and do a quick tutorial to share my process for organizing my files. I do purchase a lot of files from Design Bundles. That is my go-to for all of my sublimation crafts or my HTV designs. Any design that I'm going to use, most of the time I get them from Design Bundles. And I'm in the process of moving my files from my old computer to my new computer. And some of my files I did not download to this computer yet. So I just felt that it would be the perfect time for me to share my process with you. So I purchased these files on the last $1 deal day from Design Bundle. So you can see I paid 90 cents for these. And this one is not downloaded on my computer, but I want to share my process. So let me open it up so you can see what it looks like first. Okay, remember I paid 90 cents, but right now it's $6. Okay, so I'm going to click the download and I'm going to click download again. Okay, and then this little link pops up and it gives me the option to it says that it's a zip file. Okay, so I can see that it's down here. It's being placed on my computer, but it's still not really downloaded yet. I'm going to click that little link. Okay, and then there are two folders. This one is if you're using a Mac, and this is if, for what I would be using because I'm using a Windows 10 operating system. I click extract all, and then what I typically do is I click browse. Okay, and then what I do after that is I'm going to show you exactly what I would do. I would go to my PC. I go to my documents. I already have a folder that is called Design Bundles Files. I'll double click that and then I'll click new folder. Okay. And I'm going to name this folder the same name as that bundle. So the name of that bundle is Butterfly Sublimation Bundle. Okay. So I'm going to name this folder Butterfly Sublimation Bundle. Okay, and then I'll just click it and I'll click select folder. So now when those files get extracted, they will be extracted to one folder, to the folder that matches the name. Okay, so once I click in here, I can see all of the sublimation files. So let's see what this one looks like. See, good, that's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, so this file, I think there were 6 files in here, and that was worth 90 cents to me. Very, very beautiful. And this is my first time actually opening this file, so I'm pleased with it. I will share another one with you. So let me close this all out. And so here's another file that I purchased that day. This one is called Cool Christmas Bundle for Crafters, Bikers, Gnomes. All right. So I will click download files. Well, let's look at it first and see what it looks like. I don't even know why I purchased this, but it's cute. Hey ho, Merry freaking Christmas. Stay naughty. Now this is cute. I don't remember purchasing this, but it's cute. I like it. Okay, so right now it's $13. I paid 90 cents. Okay, so I am going to click download files. All right, and then I have all of these options. I can do bonus naughty Santa, part 1, part 2, part 3, cool Christmas bundle, there's the JPEG, and then cool Christmas bundle, those are the SVGs and the PNG files. So let me just do all of them because I do want them to all go to one folder, and it doesn't make sense to just do part of it now and then part of it later. I'll just do all of it right now, and you can really get a chance to see my process. If I'm going too fast on any of this, or if you get lost on any of it, remember with YouTube you can rewind the video, you can slow the video down. So if you have it at the normal rate, you can slow the video down to 50%. You can turn on the closed captions. you have options to help you when you're watching a video. And trust me, as when I'm learning how to do something, before I really got started with YouTube, I would do that a lot. I would slow the video down, I would watch it again. So those are just some things for you to remember. Okay, so I'm going to click on this first one. Okay, and the name of this bundle is Cool Christmas Bundle for Crafters, and that's exactly what I'm going to name it. Okay, so I have two parts to this file. I'm going to click Extract All. Remember, I don't click Extract again. After I click Extract All, I click Browse, and then I go to that folder that is what? My PC. I click my Documents. I'm going to go to my Design Bundles file folder, and then I click New Folder. When I click New Folder, I rename it to match the name of the bundle. Okay, so this one is called Cool Christmas Bundle for Crafters. Okay, I'm just click anywhere, and I'll click it, and then I'll click Select Folder. And so when it's extracted, it's going to go right there. All right, there are 72 items in that one folder. I love design bundles. I don't even think I can say it enough. All right, so then I'll go to the next one, which is part 2, Extract All. I'm going to go to Browse. It's going to go to that same folder. Okay, select folder. I'm going to click Extract. So then part 2 will be there. That one has 71 items. Okay, then I'm going to go here to, number 3, Extract All. Browse, Cool Christmas Bundle for Crafters, select folder, extract. I don't know how many steps there are, but if it helps you to remember steps, do it that way, okay? Cool Christmas Bundle. So this has, this is still a part of that same file. So I click Extract All, I click Browse, Cool Christmas Bundle, select folder, extract. And this is that has 147 items in it. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to go to the next one, Cool Christmas Bundle. Okay. So extract all, browse, Cool Christmas Bundle for Crafters, select folder, extract. That one has 98 items. There are, oh my goodness, you guys. All right. And then there was one more part to it. Okay. This was the SVGs and the PNGs. I want to click Browse, Cool Christmas Bundle, select, extract. Okay. That has 163 items in it. Okay. Let's see what we have. Where is it? Did it go there? Okay, that one did something a little bit different. That's my heat press is getting ready to turn off. Okay, it's there. Okay, so now I can just, if I wanted to just double check and see what's in there. Okay, so let's see what's in. Let's see what this looks like. Biker Santa preview. Okay, so then you have a layered SVGs, and then you can just make him look however you want him to look. Okay, so that's kind of like we've done something like that in my Facebook group before. Oh, that's cute. That's so cute. I like it. All right, so that is my process. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you have. Please leave a comment down in the comments below. I will respond to you. I make it a habit of responding to every single comment. I don't want to leave anyone out. I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye.